Good afternoon, guys. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you guys how to do a quick textured bun. So this is how my hair looks after my gym workout. Still looks pretty decent, but I'm just gonna put some of this up and I'm gonna leave a little bit of face framing pieces out. So whatever I want to frame my face, I'm just gonna pull out. And so what you'll need is a brush, 2 small hair ties, and 1 big hair tie. So what I'm going to do is a ponytail first, and you're going to pull up your pony as high as you want the bun to sit. So I'm going to pull mine about right here, and then I'm going to divide this into 2 sections. And then one section I'm going to divide into 2 sections. So now what I'm going to do is just twist these together. Using one of the small hair ties. I'm going to put this on the end right here. And then I'm going to do the same to the other side. So this is perfect for those mornings that you maybe slept in a little too late or you want to go one more day without shampooing. This is going to be a perfect go-to. So just doing the same on the other side. And then if you want, you can even piece some of these out if you want to look kind of messy. So I'm just gently pulling these pieces. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take one of the ponytails. Going to reach under here and grab the tail. Okay. I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to go inside that bun and pin it down. If you're not really good at bobby pins, I do recommend making a little X. That'll kind of secure it. So there's one. And then we're going to take the other one and just gently bring it around. And with this, you can kind of position how you want it to lay. So I'm putting that second tail down with the bobby pins. And before I have everything secured, I'm going to play with a little bit to see where I want it to go. So I like how that looks. So what I'll do is anchor some of these front pieces. And then I need to secure some pieces in the back as well. And you can always shake it too to see if anything is falling a little bit. So this guy is. So let me turn a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm taking this bobby pin and I'm pushing it in to secure. But like I said, you can always do the make a little X if you want it to be more secure. So I mean, you saw how fast that was. This also is second day hair, so if your hair is like super fine or you just washed it, I would recommend using a texturizing spray or a dry shampoo to give it a little bit of grip. I'm probably not going to, but if you wanted to, you could always go in with a curling iron and curl some of these pieces back. Actually, I'm going to make this a little bit higher just because I can. But there you have it, just a fast, fun. Let me pin that down. There we go. Just a fast, fun little bun. That is a quick go-to if you've slept in too long or you just want to go an extra day without shampooing. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what else you would like to see. Have a great day, guys.